Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the September to December 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a time when you lost an important and valuable item. You should say when and where it happened, what it was, how important and valuable it was, how you lost it, and explain how you felt about the experience. So, this is pretty much a very straightforward question. You can talk about anything. Maybe you lost your phone, or maybe your wallet, or even your house or car keys. Okay? So, let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. I am usually cautious and careful in my everyday life and tend to avoid mistakes. However, today I am going to talk about a time when I lost my wallet. So, cautious means to be attentive. I vividly remember that a couple of years ago I went to a popular street market called Sarojini Nagar Market, which is located in the heart of my nation's capital city, Delhi. Moreover, my cousin's marriage was approaching, and I went there to purchase ethnic wear, footwear, matching accessories, and jewelry at affordable price for the grand occasion. So, ethnic wear means traditional wear. Affordable means cheap. So, basically, what we are trying to say here is that I went to Sarojini Market to shop for my cousin's marriage because everything was available at cheap prices there. Additionally, the place remains quite crowded most of the times, and I also visited during a weekend, which further contributed to the market rush, and probably I lost my wallet amidst the jam packed environment. So, we have used an idiom here which is jam packed, which means to be extremely crowded. And using idiomatic phrases increases our band scores for our lexical resources part later on. Furthermore, when I was about to pay for my sandals, I realized that my wallet was missing and I started searching for it everywhere as I had a hefty amount of cash in it, as well as my bank credit and debit cards. So, hefty means large. I immediately called my bank and asked them to block my cards to prevent any transactions from occurring due to its misuse. So, occurring means happening or taking place. Finally, I fell down in the dumps as I had lost a large amount of my hard earned savings, and this incident taught me to be more responsible and vigilant for future. So, we have used another idiom here which is felt down in the dumps, which means to be depressed or sad. Vigilant means to be alert. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.